speaking about this approach because I have recently realized a weakness. A weakness has slapped me left and right. Sorry. I was trying to sing, and usually when I sing different things because I don't want my voice to be jailed in one specific genre. Even Bingo, the Bingo was his name. I forgot the tune of Bingo. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, Bingo. That thing. I tried singing it in different ways. I tried that and other songs, and there was this one particular song that I cannot sing. It's a song, a soft song, and a soft sad song, and I cannot do it. I used to do fairly well when it comes to sad songs, because yes, we've gone through things, especially when we're younger. So I used to be able to give that justice, but now at this point of my life, I'm losing that, because life creates a Spartan out of you. And sometimes yes, the Spartan side is nice to develop, but I don't want to let go of that soft, because that's also a part of me that I actually like. I actually like being soft in the safe environments. So imagine if I'm just a Spartan always. I don't always want to be Spartan. I want the full experience of being a human, and I want to explore it. I don't want just I want to be the organism inside the shell and not the shell itself. You get what I mean? I'm the organism inside. I'm not the shell. So if I let the soft side die, or if I neglect it, yes, if I neglect it long enough, it would die. And it's already manifesting itself in the songs that I cannot sing anymore, because I have hardened up, and that's not good. That's not good. I don't want my exploration to be narrowed, because this is an exploration. This singing thing, it's not a destination for me. At least it's not a destination. If I happen to find myself in a destination, I still want to explore the way that I do now. For example, oh, I do this one thing, oh, now I'm over it, I do the other thing, and then You get what I mean? I don't want to get out of a cage just to find myself in another one. I want to keep on exploring as for as long as I shall live, even if that means that I'll encounter things that don't fit with me. At least I can tell myself, well, I tried it, it doesn't fit. But now, what I became aware of is that I used to be good at this, but now I'm not anymore. My survival mechanism is crippling my artistic expression, maybe, or my soul, or I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's really, is life just crippling the artistic expression or the main soul itself? What is it? I don't know. Because things are happening in the life and I have to be strong and tough and have to have thick shell layers of it in order for me to get to the next phase of my life without dying in the process. I have to survive. And I'm losing parts of myself that I love in the process of surviving. So I guess this is an attempt of saving the things that I like about my soul. This entire thing, maybe even not just this strand. This entire thing, maybe, that's why I have this, maybe. This is an attempt to save what I like in my soul. And not just survive the earth. Because I know I'm not alone in this kind of... Because sometimes you survive, but then you notice that, well, I survived, but what is this? What is this creature I'm seeing in the mirror? What is this? You get what I mean? So now, I'm taking matters to my own hands. I will rescue I will rescue the soft side of my soul. Yes, it's not, maybe it's not easy, but I will try. For research. Char! Partly for research. I will see if I can. Because that's another motivating factor. I will see if I can. And partly because I really like it. I really like being soft. It's just that I don't always get the opportunity to be